Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm sharing the top 5 remedies for those pesky kitchen burns. You know, those moments when you're just trying to cook up a storm and ouch! Here's what you need to know. First up, we have cool water. It might sound basic, but running the burn under cool water for at least 10 minutes can reduce the heat and prevent further damage. Remember, no ice, just cool, gentle water. Next, let's talk about raw potato. It's not just for fries. Slice a piece and place it directly on the burn. The starch will help soothe the skin and reduce irritation. Plus, it's usually right there in your kitchen. Now, aloe vera. This plant is like nature's miracle for burns. If you have an aloe plant, just cut a leaf and apply the gel directly to the burn. If not, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel. It's super soothing and speeds up healing. Honey is next on our list. This sweet treat is a natural antiseptic. Dab a little honey on the burn to reduce the risk of infection and help the skin heal faster. It's sticky, but worth it. Finally, coconut oil. Known for its moisturizing properties, coconut oil can help keep the burn area hydrated and prevent peeling. Apply a thin layer and let its natural goodness work its magic. And there you have it, folks. Remember, these remedies are great for minor burns, but they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're ever in doubt, seek help from a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Stay safe in the kitchen, and see you next time.